Good morning, my children, and welcome back for our life skill classes. Us in this subject beta, we have already completed our lesson number 9, 10, 11 and the 12. Today beta, we are going to start our lesson number 13. The lesson number 13 is going to speak something about live sensibly. Live sensibly. Live sensibly means the value is the wisdom. Value is the wisdom. Means the what the right way of living and what is the right sensible living. So live sensibly, value is the wisdom. So my child, in our life beta, various situations are coming where we have to take the proper and the correct decision. If we are not taking the proper and the correct decision, then we are suffering for our whole life. Not only this beta, in our daily life activities beta, we should always use our brain. We should always use our brain and our intelligence, and we should ask the experiences of the other people. Then only beta we should take the proper decision. That's why beta it is asked that we should always take the advice of our elders, whether they are our elder brothers or sisters, whether they are our parents, whether they are our grandparents, my child. If we are taking their advice, because of their experience, they will give us the proper advice. We have the brain. Our brain always says what is good and what is bad. So always think what is good and what is bad for you, my child. So in our life skill, lesson number 13 is going to speak of the live sensibly, value is the wisdom. What is wisdom? Wisdom it is nothing but it is the act of taking the proper and the correct decision. The act of taking proper and the correct decision by using our mind and our experiences, that is called the wisdom. So with the wisdom, the ability to use your knowledge and experience so as to make right decision and judgment in every situation. So my child, the ability of a person to use his mind, and its intelligence and its experience to us to make the right decision in each and every situation, that is called the wisdom. The ability to use your knowledge and experiences so as to make right decision and judgment is called the wisdom. Wisdom is more powerful than the physical strength. Wisdom is so much powerful than the physical strength. Now let us see something, my child. So beta, I will tell you a short story. Listen very carefully. Now I am going to tell you. I will tell you a short story. The wise goat. See beta. Today I will tell you the story about the wise goat. See beta, the goats are so much weaker than the lion and the tiger. Once upon a time, how does a goat, by using his mind and the experience, how did the goat have fooled the tiger, and how the goat was able to become the king of the jungle and the tiger has to run away from the jungle. So my child, this goat has used his mind and experience, and it has fooled the tiger, and the goat became the king of the jungle and the tiger ran away from the jungle. How it was possible? Listen very carefully. Once upon a time, a goat ran from the butcher's house. Butcher means a person who is killing the animals and selling the meat. Butcher, B-U-T-C-H-E-R, butcher, B-U-T-C-H-E-R, butcher. Butcher means a person who kills the animals and sells the meat. Once upon a time, a goat ran from the butcher's house and it ran into the forest. When the goat ran into the forest, the goat went in the open atmosphere. It breathed the pure air. It drank the pure water. It enjoyed the green grasses and the green leaves, and it was living so much freely in the jungle. Soon, after a few months, the goat had become so much healthy and strong. Long hairs have grown upon the body of the goat. The goat have developed the long pointed horns. The long pointed horns have grown upon the goat. It has developed the big beard. The face was looking with so much of the hairs, and then hairs was looking like a beard. So the goat have developed the hard hooves, long and the pointed horns, and the lot of hairs upon the face which were looking like the beards, and a lot of long hairs upon the body. The goat has become so much healthy and strong and the fair. It has become this much of the healthy and the strong and the fat that it used to scare other animals. Whatever the other animals who were seeing the goat, these animals were getting scared of the goat. So these animals used to get run away. By saying this, the goat also have started scaring these animals. So the animals were getting frightened of the goat and they were running away. Now the goat had started thinking that it is stronger and mightier. One day when the goat was drinking the water on the river, a tiger came from the nearby forest. By seeing the tiger, the goat got frightened. The goat got frightened, but the goat kept itself cool. And the goat decided that I will face this tiger, I will not get afraid of this tiger. So now the tiger said to the goat, the tiger too have never seen such a healthy and strong fat goat. The tiger said to the goat, who are you? What are you doing in this jungle? The goat said, I am the king of the jungle. And who are you? From where have you came? Now the goat said, who are you? And from where have you come? The tiger said, I am the king of the jungle. The goat said, I am the king of the jungle and I am eating three tigers in one day. The goat said, I am the king of the jungle and I am eating the three tigers in one day. One in the breakfast, one in the lunch and one in the dinner. Thank God I have got you for my breakfast and I want two more tigers. So I will eat you in my breakfast and I have to search two more tigers for my lunch and dinner. By listening this, the tiger became frightened. The tiger have never seen such a healthy and fat goat with the pointed horns and so much fat and the long ears on the goat. So as the tiger listened that the goat want to kill me and eat in the breakfast, the tiger started running away from that place. By seeing that the tiger is running, the jackal said to the tiger, why are you running, the king of the jungle? The tiger told, one fearless animal have came in the jungle and he is saying that I am the king of the jungle. Then the jackal said to the tiger, O king, don't be foolish. It is not the king, it is just only a goat. Let us come, we both will go together and we will kill that goat and we both will enjoy the delicious meat. Then the tiger did not trust the jackal. The tiger thought this jackal and that goat both might be the friend and that jackal is fooling me. So what the tiger did? The tiger said, okay, I will trust you, but you have to tie your leg with my leg. Then the tiger tied the leg with the jackal leg and they both went near the goat. By saying that the jackal and the tiger are coming together, the goat understood each and everything. The goat understood each and everything that the jackal might have told the truth to the tiger. So by saying them, the goat said, Oh Mr. Jackal, how are you? Thank you very much. I have told you to bring this tiger back to me and you have brought this tiger back. By listening this, the tiger got so much frightened. He thought that what I was thinking, that the jackal and the goat are friends. The tiger, by listening this, the tiger once again started running. The tiger ran so much fast that the jackal whose leg was being tied with the tiger leg, the jackal was unable to keep the speed with the tiger speed, and soon the jackal was being dragged to a short distance. Soon the jackal have been died. When the jackal have been died, the tiger have removed the rope and it ran away from the jungle, and the tiger have never returned back to the jungle. So my child, in this story, see, tiger is such a strong animal. He is the king of the jungle. He can kill any animal. But since the goat is so much big in front of the tiger, but since the goat have used his mind and experience to fool the tiger, the goat have fooled the tiger and the goat remain the king of the jungle forever. So my child, it is upon us. As much we are using our brain and experience to take the proper and the right decision, we can be the winner in each and every field, my child. So see, so the wise goat have used the knowledge and the wisdom and the experience to fool the tiger, my child. In our daily situation, in our daily life, we also have to take a lot of decision, my child. So before taking any decision, we should use our experience in the brain, then only we can take our proper decision. See, my child, at some places the youngsters are winning the game, and at some places the young experienced persons are winning the game. So my child, we cannot say the young cannot take the proper decision. Yeah, the young can also take the proper and the correct decision, but they should use their brain and the experience. So my child, no matter how difficult the situations are, tackle them wisely. Means we should tackle each and every situation in a proper and a systematic way, in a proper planned way. Decision making is governed by wisdom. Maintain yourself cool while taking important decisions. Never get excited. Whenever you are taking any decision, my child, never get excited. Always maintain yourself cool, then only take the proper decision. Everything has many aspects. Before taking decision, think about all the aspects. Each and everything is having so many aspects. So before taking any decision, think about all the aspects. It will enable you to take the right and the proper and the correct decision. Thank you very much, my child. So I hope that after listening this story, my child, you will start using your brain and your experience before taking any decision. I know you are using your brain and the experience to take our decision, but sometimes we are taking the decision without thinking whether there is a loss or the gain. So my child, before taking any decision, keep yourself cool, use your mind, think of all the aspects, then only take the proper and the right decision. Thank you very much.